Good morning mga plantita, welcome to our channel. Today our job is to turn this material into something like this mga kabuchi. Tiny bits of woods, but it's not actually, I don't know if we can consider this as a wood, but as you can see, this is from a coco palm mga kabuchi. Hello mga plantita. So today's job, we will start today's job. This is gonna be very tiring mga kabuchi. So we will be using this mga kabuchi to power up our philodendron. So we will remove the leaves mga kabuchi from its, I think if you study the parts of the leaves, this is what you call midribs, and then the veins. Yay! We've got one. So let's work hard to power up our philodendrons mga kabuchi. We don't have good woods mga kabuchi in this area. So we only have a lot of coconut trees. Yan. Power up. Bugat kayo. Very heavy. So when we were young mga kabuchi, we were doing this for firewood. And then we turn the stalk into kuan mga kabuchi. Walis ting-ting. Oops. Okay. So let's put it here. Okay, so we can still use the leaves, mga kabuchi. The next thing to do is to use this one, mga kabuchi. So, we will chop, mga kabuchi. Chop them into tiny pieces. So this coco palm is from our kuan mga kabuchi, from our coconut tree. Whew. So you see we have this one from coconut also. So we will be chopping mga kabuchi. So it's good to chop them while they are still young. So The pieces are flying everywhere, mga kabutchi, but we can gather them later, mga kabutchi, after chopping. So, di, kay ngalan kong snacks, ani akong trabaho, di. Chopping is a very challenging job, mga kabutchi. But for the love of your philodendrons, mga kabutchi, you can still enjoy doing this one. So, just let them fly everywhere. And then later, we'll gather them, put them into a container, and then store them somewhere. And then after that, we'll put them in our philodendron pots, mga kabutchi. So, we are hoping that the philodendron roots will enjoy these tiny pieces, mga kabutchi. Nganong universal woman man? Buntis, universal woman? So, this is going to be a challenge, mga kabutchi. We will turn them first into manageable sizes. Ay, nako, mga kabutchi. This is going to be a very difficult, time-consuming, and physically draining, mga kabutchi. But this is how we want to do this. Okay. O sa may kuha na ng universal woman. Kani ang pinaka-challenge mga kabutchi on how are you going to have this, diba? Then, how was it mga kabutchi? Am I doing a good job? Yeah, of course. Uy. Itataglain mga kabutsi mong katrakay siya. Mga kabutsi, I don't know if it's worth doing this mga kabutsi. It's very, very you think it's worth doing this mga kabutsi? This is just a good exercise mga kabutsi. Okay. Na center mga kabutsi, but it's better than never. Okay. So, the most difficult part is done mga kabutsi. The base of the kukupa mga kabutsi is actually very challenging. But we did it! We did it! Okay! Uy! This still very better soft and easy mga kabutsi because this is not yet dried up. But once these materials will dried up mga kabutsi, we will have a hard time slicing or chopping them mga kabutsi. Find the center. So, is this worth doing, mga kabuchi? Nah. I think the other one, mga kabuchi, we will continue that tomorrow, mga kabuchi. Or this afternoon, mga kabuchi. We need to restore some of our strength, mga kabuchi, before continuing this job, mga kabuchi. Because slicing, mga kabuchi, is not an easy task. Let's do the chopping, mga kabuchi, after cutting them down to manageable spaces, manageable pieces, mga kabuchi. We can easily chop. It's easy to chop, mga kabuchi, if we are thin enough, mga kabuchi. Diba, mga kabuchi? Chopping is very easy because they are still fresh from the coconut tree, mga kabuchi. They are still soft with moisture. Okay. Good. We're doing a good job, mga kabuchi. So, mga kabuchi, we're not yet done, mga kabuchi, and I don't know what's time na, no? Maybe we're more than 10 minutes. No, I think chopping vegetables, mga kabuchi. Done? Not yet done. So we still have plenty to work on, mga kabuchi, but at least we are getting there. We're not happy done, mga kabuchi. So, these are the other big parts, mga kabutchi. We will try to chop them next, mga kabutchi. Uy! Nasira ang philodendron, mga kabutchi. Tigbas-tigbas. Agoy, na inyong mama. Hunong na magpindot-pindot. It's time for you to help your auntie. Do we have to slice this one into two, mga kabutchi, like that one? Very easy, mga kabutchi. Okay. Lang. Mi, wani ayaw ni mo si Mira, Mi? Wani ayaw ni mo si Mira? Nga. Run out dahil sa Danau, Mi. May kaya na-entertain pa imong payment. Do I have to slice this one? Na-slice man. So, it's cool. Okay. So, we're done slicing. And we do the chopping. Chopping is, I think, the easiest part. Okay. Okay. So, this one. Oh, great. So, mga kabuchi, this is also a good exercise, mga kabuchi. I am using my upper strength. So, we're concentrating on our job, mga kabuchi, and we forgot to talk to the audience. I hope you will understand that chopping needs 100% concentration so that you will not end up chopping your own hands, mga kabuchi. We have to take some safety precautions, mga kabuchi. In everything you do, mga kabuchi, safety first before anything else. Whew. We're almost done, mga kabuchi. So, we still have few pieces, mga kabuchi. Okay. Look at my hands, mga kabuchi. I'm already tired. I'm already tired, mga kabuchi. So, I will take a break, mga kabuchi, and do other things, mga kabuchi. I'm done with the tiny pieces, mga kabuchi. So, let's take a break break mga kabuchi, and then later mga kabuchi, we are going to chop this one into tiny pieces. So, Shika, this is now the end of my video, Shika, my video about chopping them into tiny pieces. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.